eléyìí má ga o, ó gbẹnu tán o. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí gbajúmọ̀ òṣèrékùnrin tíátà ilẹ̀ wa yẹn Kelvin Ikeduba? Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
I want to share an experience, something that I experienced in Germany. I entered the train from one city to another city. Something can happen, this will happen. Mona just tell me the truth. If na me mess up or fuck up, Mona tell me. Understand? Especially for people there for diaspora. Because me, na visitor I be, I know they live for here. Now I entered the train and they move from one city to another. When I entered the train, I come find out everybody for the train are white. Everybody now white. You know that kind, wow, what did happen? So they just look like, say, this black guy, just walk out from one coach to the other, just walk out. You know, just look like, say, this black boy. You know, as their way be now. Only me be the black, oh. All of a sudden, I can't see one black guy. The guy sit down. You see that kind of relief of, say, okay, I don't see somebody like me, what did happen? I just wave the guy, smile, oh. If you see as this guy bone, he bone me like, say, in a white. I felt bad, you know, but I don't look and say, well, with the concern me, naturally, Kevin know the send. I just come out, go stay where I stay. To cut the long story short, two of us can't stop for the same city. As we come down, I don't know the problem we get with one white boy. All of a sudden, a slap. Why here with the white boy give him? Then the white boy friends that we did, they all start to the rough handle and anyhow. You understand? So as a black guy with there around there, you understand? I noticed say some other white guys and some other white people they look me whether based on black I go pull and say, okay, oh, I wanna do this guy like this or like that. But because of that thing don't happen, and because also I be visitor, I proceed, I just face my own way, jeje. So now this thing what I do, somehow, some way, you get as they do me for body, based on say, Kevin, you fuck up, or no be you be this, but at the same time I just consider say, man, no be my place, no be where they live. So at the very good the moment I tell me the truth. This is what I do. Now fuck up as I don't help the guy. I'll be good as I face my own way. Kevin O'Clock News. God bless you.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí lẹ rí sóhun tí Kelvin Ikeduba sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí? Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ ní abala àríwísí comment section. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ like, subscribe àti share fídíò wa. Ẹ ṣé gan-an ní fún àtìlẹ́yìn. A dúpẹ́ àbọ̀ lórí.